Despite the typical headlines about the failed rollout of the Affordable Care Act website, healthcare.gov, many of the actual policies being acquired by human beings are proving life-changing. 57-year-old Pittsburgh retiree Gail Roach, a former school district employee, is the perfect example. Roach's retirement health insurance plan was costing her an astronomical $509 per month, in large part due to her having type 2 diabetes. So she decided to give the Federal Exchange a whirl, but not through the internet. Instead, Roach dialed the 1-800 number and spoke with a representative who helped her through the process. Not surprisingly, Roach found a plan on par with her current one, but for the dramatically reduced monthly cost of $70. Needless to say, Roach was floored by the results. However, there was even more good news for Roach after she found out she qualified for a tax credit, government subsidy, and a cost-sharing subsidy, which affects deductibles, co-payments, co-insurance, and total out-of-pocket spending limits. These final considerations dropped her monthly premium to an almost unbelievable $1.11 per month. Roach is 57, has diabetes, and is retired, i.e. likely making less money than she did prior to retiring. Yet she was able to find a more than affordable health insurance plan through the Federal Exchange. Perhaps the media's focus should switch to the dramatic differences the Affordable Care Act is making in real people's lives, which can be attained via talking to human beings over the phone, instead of using the botched website.